Well, welcome to Antler Hill Village on the Biltmore Estate. Well, hello, little Robin friend. You just guide the way. I'll follow you. And actually, that is kind of what today's vlog is about. I'm going to do a guided hike, which I just recently found out that Biltmore offers. I'm gonna take that hike with some friends today. And it's 40 degrees. It's a little cooler than what I had anticipated. But hopefully that'll be okay once the blood gets pumping and I get all warmed up. Funny, there's one of my friends right now, and I know she's stopping to take a picture of the Chihuly exhibit here that was just installed. Doesn't that make a great picture? So it is about 9:40. So basically Antler Hill Village isn't open yet. So there's like nobody walking around, which made for a good picture. Nobody in the background. I actually moved out of the way from my friend's picture. Okay, so we are actually headed to the Outdoor Adventure Center. So this is the whole Antler Hill Village, and this is more of where the house is, and then shows you it's actually like, depending on how busy the estate is and how many people are, just taking their time looking at the sights. It can take you anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to drive from the house to the winery. Need to make a bathroom run before heading over there. Oh, and today we're going to check out some of the flowers. I might have some time to do that, but look at those pretty tulips and daffodils already out. Okay, I really should have wore gloves. So to meet for any outdoor activities, hiking, biking, rafting, any of that, you actually meet right here in the Outdoor Adventure Center. Not sure why they called this a hike, because it was basically a walk on a path, not hiking through the woods like I thought it was going to be. Oh, there's more over there with all fanned out. Oh, he's smart. He brought binoculars.
You can borrow.
Oh, that's all right. I'll just remember for next time.
Cool.
The people in that vehicle stopped to take pictures of the turkeys. Gosh, that's so soothing, the water.
There's a great photograph. Big floods. Oh yeah. 1916 flood. You kind of do that on Harbor Trace at this point, because you kind of look at these horse-drawn carriages with all the vegetables, fruit and vegetables, kind of stacked like that in the boxes. Wow. And they would drive them around and sell fruits and vegetables.
Call this Frog Pond because it always floods if there's a lot of rain. One of my friends said she loves in the summertime sitting there in the shade.
And
oh,
brother wolf rescues.
So that's. Oh my goodness.
Brother Wolf, excellent. Yeah. These are puppies. Look at this one. This is Walter. Hey, Walter. He's swallowed a tennis ball. Oh my gosh. Yeah. He doesn't look any the worse. You're so sweet.
Up in there, you can tell. You can see his little teeth marks.
Yeah.
The guide was pointing out where beavers had chewed on that tree stump.
Yeah.
Especially with this one.
Oh, here comes some more geese out of the little island. So does this little island have a name?
That's the one we call Cornelia's Island.
Oh,
but
really?
I'm still.
And
Supposedly they would, row out there and have picnics.
oh, and that's the reason it's called that.
Right. There's 2 islands in the middle of this lagoon. It does create a visual, makes the lagoon look bigger. You don't really see the other shoreline with the islands. And definitely provides nesting for waterfowl. The geese love it.
So are they cutting is that from the trees they've cut down? So they cut down the trees that are unhealthy.
So,
Well, now they're doing controlled fires in eastern Tennessee.
are they? Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk. He was just waiting for us to cross. Oh, you hear his feet hitting the asphalt. And that is the cable that they used for the ferry, and the ferry would go in and out right in this location here. And this cement area is now used for the rafting trips. That's where they come out of the water. Which ones would go back to back? Tree swallow?
Maybe. So those are bluebird boxes again. And we actually do a bluebird walk, which is kind of cool. You can learn.
So the train exhibit is closed. Need to go see some of my previous vlogs that show you the 2 different exhibits I've seen here. But it's kind of neat to know that like all the electricity came from one section right there in the middle. So this was the last exhibit. The one before this one was actually really awesome. Antler Hill Barn is open from 10 to 6. So now that the tour is over, wanted to go back and show a few things. Biltmore is full. Well, Biltmore Estate is full of activities. Like, it is definitely a 2-day place. Like, one day, do house tours, the stable area, the garden area, and then the other day here, spend it at Antler Hill Village. And you've got animals and all the other outdoor activities. And the wine tasting, the winery. So 2 days here, easily spent. Now, up here on this hill, this is a prime example of how well goats can clear an area. So sometimes Biltmore will put the goats out to clear out an area, and they did it on this hill, and as you can see, they were successful. Don't jump off. Let me get there and take a picture. You are so picturesque. Is the word? Oh my God, please don't move. Please don't move. Let me get this picture. Okay, he let me take the picture. Thank you. Oh, are you gonna come see me? Oh, you're showing off? Oh my goodness. Are you coming to see me? Hi. Well, hello. You just wanted some attention. Oh my goodness. So glad. I know I talk to animals in baby talk. Oh, okay. I really liked the little dance. I appreciate that so much. And you're going to try and chew my shirt? Is that what it's boiling down to? Yeah, you like this? Oh, we're gonna put you to sleep. Yeah. I just want to say that him and I have bonded. I kid you not. I was rubbing, scratching him with my fingers. I got down really low, and he put his head right up against and pushed, and then I put my head. We bonded. All of this land around here originally belonged to the Hawkins family. Now, they sold the property in 1847, and it passed through many hands before George Vanderbilt acquired the land. But I want to point something out. This hill up here, that's known as Cemetery Hill. And the Hawkins, part of the Hawkins family, is buried up there. Do you know that the Biltmore House does school tours? Anyway, thank you guys for following along today. I know this was a really short video, but it's something that, you know, hadn't done before, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I do have a Biltmore playlist, so check that out if you're interested in finding out more information or seeing more of Biltmore. And please comment if you've ever been here before. If you plan on making a trip here, I'd like to know. Okay, I'm going to show you a lot of the, oh my gosh, baby sheep. I know you can't see that. I've zoomed in because I want to show you one of their Great Pyrenees. Hi, buddy. He was just laying down until he heard me. So these are not pets, these are working dogs. So I've been here a little too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and go because I don't want to aggravate him. He's like, get away from my sheep. Sheep all on the hill.